Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at a new phone case that I just got in. This is from the company Toovren. Now, just to get a good glance at it, it comes in this nice wooden box. I'm going to open it up, and this is the actual case itself. Now, you can pick these up on the Amazon store. First, we want to notice the material. This is a premium leather. It's hand stitched, very slim design. All of our buttons are right here, easily accessible. Our bottom is nice and cut out. Now, this is if you can hear, it's a rather tough material, but like I said, this is genuine leather. This is a nice, soft microfiber backing, so not to scratch that brand new iPhone XS Max up. But like I said, this is the XS Max. Now, first thing you want to do is when you get one of these cases, you want to be sure and push these buttons out. Sometimes they'll be in. Make sure you push those out so your case will slide easily in there. Your phone, I'm sorry. And then we're going to fit this phone right in. Now, it has a nice snug fit, which is very good, excellent. It allows for your camera to be nice and kind of hidden. It's like in a recess, so your camera's not going to be bumping into things. Power button right here, nice and tactile. Volume rocker on the side. Mute, unmute up here. Down bottom, our speaker grill and our charging port are wide open. All right, everything fits really snug. It's really slim. You can put this in your pocket. You know how I like my slim cases, but this is a really nice fit on this phone. Like I said, this is the XS Max case by Toovren, genuine leather. It comes in 5 different colors. You're gonna be able to pick up a blue, a black, a gray, a red, and this tan or brown color right here. Not tan, I'm sorry. It's brown color. Now, we talked about the premium stitching. We talked about the leather. We talked about the slim fit, how it's gonna protect your phone and be very secure. And it also protects that camera right there on the back. Now, let's talk about wireless charging, because the best part about the slimmer cases is that they are wireless charging compatible. So what I have here is a portable wireless charger. 26% is on here. We're just gonna lay this down and we're gonna see what happens. There we go. It's charging. It didn't make any noise, but I'm gonna turn the screen off. So I'm gonna lay it down now. There we go. Charging. Perfect. So we see we have our charging test. It is, there we go. As soon as you lay it down, it charges. So there's no disturbance with the fabric, with the material. It is an excellent case. Like I said, from Toovren. Go by and check them out on the Amazon website. I am going to leave a link below in the description so you can go pick up one of these for your XS Max. And they also make these for the XS and the 10. So go by their store, Toovren, pick you up some of these. It's going to give you a stylish look for your iPhone with the protection that you need. So if you like this video, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.